Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use gear selector in 2025 Nissan Rogue. This is also gonna apply to Nissan Pathfinder. First I'm gonna start the vehicle. When your vehicle is started, your gear shifter is gonna be in parking automatically. Now if you wanna back out and select reverse gear, what you need to do, you need to push this side button on the gear shifter and push it forward, and now you are into reverse gear. And remember, whenever you are selecting gears, your foot needs to be on the brake. Now when you reversed, you want to go in the drive, simply pull the gear shifter down, and now you are in drive. While in drive, if you pull it down one more time, automatically you're gonna switch to manual mode. Therefore you can pedal shift and switch the gears. If at any time you wanna switch back to parking, just simply press P button. And remember, you're only using this side button when you wanna switch to reverse. For example, if you are in parking now and you just wanna switch to drive, you simply pull this gear shifter down. If you wanna get into the neutral, for example, if you are at car wash, just simply push forward and you'll select neutral. And again, if you wanna go in parking, press parking. So from parking to drive, just pull down once. You want to go into reverse, push the side button and push it forward. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.